Got him, Bill? Holy shit. Get him back in the water.
This thing died because of his distended belly. So we had to save the kids.
That is awesome, guys.
Wait, there's another one.
You got another one? When I pulled her in, I mean, you don't think that's why she was such an easy fight to get in. I got her. Holy shit.
More.
God damn. Whoa. One's on the beach.
Swim it! Watch the other two. Swim them. Yeah. Oh, another one in here.
No, that's when he caught that one. He caught that one, Chip. Look at this shit. That's it.